Hey folks, guys ever have a problem starting your car and you have already been sold a battery, a starter, okay, ignition, whatever they sell you? Did you know that there's actually a starter relay? It's located inside your fuse box, which is usually located inside your engine compartment. All right, if you were to take the cover off and look at the description on it, you're going to see it written right there. This one says start. Right there. See it? Right there. That's the relay. Okay? They have a starter relay in there so that when you turn the key, okay, when you turn the key on, it closes the relay. The relay provides 12 volts to a solenoid that starts your starter. Okay? So if you noticed, most of these relays, usually they all look the same. They got the same model numbers on them and everything. So on this one, you're looking for the third one from the right. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. It'll be this one here. Okay. So that starter right there is the one that you're going to take out. You could take out the one next to it or something that's not going to pertain to the car starting. So you got one for, let's see, you got one for a blower. That's the same color. You got the same one that's the coolant fan. Okay, you don't want anything that has to do with the car running. All right, so you want to swap it. Look at this rear heater. Okay, so you could take that one, which is the far right one. Take that one. Look at it. If they have the exact same model numbers and everything, that's the relay you could swap into it. So you take that one, you put it into that one. Take the suspected relay and put it in that one, and then see if your car starts. Okay, if it solves your problem and it starts, then just go out and buy yourself a new relay. All right, and then either replace it in the new relay in your starter and put that one back where it belonged, and that one you throw out. Otherwise, take the new one and put it in the rear heater relay. All right, but most of these relays, they all have the same model numbers and everything. Those are the ones that you could still reuse. All right, so that's it. Just a quick little tip that if your car don't start, it's not the battery, it's not the terminals, it's not the starter. It could be a starter relay. And on some models, don't forget, there's also a box on the side like this one. There's fuses in there. They're not replaceable. You have to replace the whole block. Okay, that whole block has to be changed. Usually about $50 to $75 depending on the year, make, and model of your car. All right. So that will pertain also, because if you don't have battery source to go to the start, it's not going to start. So even though you have battery here, the wire with the fuse, it's not going to power up the rest of the car. All right. So keep that in mind, people. And thanks for watching.